up to me, I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me, I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. Yeah, look at all this moolah, I got cash now, and a bunch of books in my lap now, all up in your face like a front.
Hey you guys, as you can see, I received this hair via DHL and the shipping took about 2 days to get here. So this is what was in my package. As you can see, it's this pretty satin pink drawstring bag, and I did receive 4 bundles of deep wave hair. I believe I received 2 26 and 2 28s, and I also received a 20-inch bundle. This is just some of the goodies that I received in my package. They did send some wig caps, some pretty earrings, and along with some care instructions. So here I'm just showing you guys the 20-inch frontal, which is really nice. And again, this is deep wave hair. All of the links to this hair will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. So as you can see, this frontal is really nice, very curly. I absolutely love the hair texture. And here I'm showing you guys one of the bundles. One thing I do like about Alipearl, and you know, other companies should take, you know, heed to this. You guys, their logo is all over the bundle, so you have no problems knowing where your bundles came from. And this is a 28-inch bundle, you guys, and it's a lot of hair. So fast forward to a few weeks later, after I made my wig, I did sew it onto a dome cap. As you guys can see, I'm just showing you what it looks like raw. I didn't cut the lace or the inner spandex part. I didn't do anything to the wig. I'm just showing you what it looks like. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like on my head.
Ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got her look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're 1 in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace.
So of course the baby hairs on this wig were a little too long for me. So here I'm just sectioning out where I want to cut and pluck. I didn't do much plucking. I don't even really think I did any damage at all. I'm not quite sure, but because I'm not a professional, you guys. I am not a professional. So yeah, I just wanted to cut those baby hairs because they were, like I said, they were really long. And yeah, I mean, don't worry guys, off camera, after I did everything, I looked and I was like, you know what, let me cut a little more of this lace off. So yeah, if it looks a little funny, don't worry, I fixed it after everything was said and done. But here I'm just plucking baby hairs and combing them out. Then I'm gonna cut them off and lay them down with my edge control. This is the even 24-hour edge control. I feel like I didn't want to do gel because I didn't want any product on the hair or anything at all. I didn't want to disturb the curl pattern, and I wanted it to look as natural as possible.
Sorry, that's all it would be. My fault, my bad. The words out, but you weren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies.
So just to make the, you know, perimeter look a little more natural, I did go in with my powder foundation. In case some of you guys were wondering what that was, just get a powder foundation that matches your skin tone and you'll be fine. So I did want to go with a side part, so in order to get that to look more realistic, I went in with my Irresistible Me curling wand just to open up that space a little more, and then I went in again with that same powder foundation in the parting space. You know, you just want to make it look as real as possible, and I think I achieved that. I absolutely love this hair. I have zero complaints. There's no shedding, no tangling or anything like that. Again, I did not want to disturb the natural curl pattern to this hair, so I'm not going to straighten it or anything like that. But if I do have an update, you guys, I'll either leave it in the description box so you can check that out, or you guys just ask me on Instagram, you know, how's that hair holding up? Or if someone purchased it, I'll let you know through them. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
1,000 words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of a